In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop wasting time, take back control, and start making every single minute count, because life's too short to let time slip through your fingers. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Shonen Warrior, and today we're going to tackle something we all struggle with: time. It's the most precious resource we have, and yet we're all guilty of letting it slip away. Between scrolling, binge-watching, and putting things off, before you know it, poof, the day is gone, and you're left with zero progress toward your goals. By the end of this video, you'll have some no-nonsense, easy-to-follow strategies to reclaim your time, stop wasting it, and actually get stuff done. Trust me, your future self will be sending you a thank you card. Segment 1. The hidden cost of wasting time. So, let's talk about the hidden cost of wasting time. You think an hour here and there is no big deal, right? Wrong. You might not realize it, but those little harmless distractions can add up to days, weeks, or even months of lost time. Let me break it down for you. Think about the last time you decided to check your phone for just 5 minutes. And suddenly, it's 2 hours later. That's your time being hijacked by tiny moments of mindlessness. If you waste just 30 minutes a day doing this, you've lost 182 hours in a year, over 7 full days. That's almost a week of your life gone, just like that. Example. I used to do this all the time with Netflix. Oh, one episode of Stranger Things won't hurt, I'd tell myself. Fast forward 6 hours, and I'd finish the entire season. It was fun in the moment, but then I realized, what did I actually accomplish today? And I was hit with the brutal truth. Time, once it's gone, is gone. Segment 2. The power of prioritization, the boss mode approach. Prioritizing your time doesn't just mean crossing things off your to-do list. It means deciding what actually matters and putting your energy into that. Here's the thing. You can't do everything, but you can do the things that will move the needle. Think of it like being the CEO of your own life. You don't have time to do everything, but you've got time to focus on the top 3 things that will make the biggest difference in your life. Example. Think about Elon Musk. Whether you love him or hate him, the guy is insanely productive. He doesn't waste time because he's ruthless about prioritization. He has his day broken down into 5-minute blocks. That's not just efficient, it's genius. And yes, I know, most of us don't have the luxury of a 5-minute scheduled day, but we can learn from his focus. Focus on what will move you closer to your big goals and cut out distractions. Segment 3. Mastering focus, the art of saying no to everything else. Let's talk about focus. Focus is everything, but it's also hard. We live in a world full of distractions, and sometimes staying on task feels like trying to ride a unicycle on a tightrope while juggling flaming swords. But with the right mindset and a little practice, you can master it. The key to focus is knowing when to say no to everything else. That's right. Learning to shut out distractions and stay in the zone is a superpower. And no, I'm not saying you need to become a hermit and never hang out with friends or check social media. I mean, we all need a break. But let's be real. How often are you really focused when you're multitasking? Example. One person who mastered focus was Kobe Bryant. This guy didn't just show up to practice. He was laser focused. I mean, he was the guy who would spend hours perfecting one single move. One move. He wasn't distracted by the latest news, the hottest trends, or what was happening on Instagram. He had a mission and stayed focused on it until he achieved it. Outro. Wrapping it up. Alright, let's recap. Today we learned that time is your most valuable resource, and wasting it, whether it's on random distractions or procrastination, has a hidden cost. We also talked about how to prioritize your time, just like a boss, and how mastering focus can make a huge difference in getting stuff done. The bottom line, you can't afford to keep wasting time. Prioritize, focus, and start making every moment count. Motivational closing. The clock is ticking, my friend. Don't let another minute slip away. Take charge of your time today, and in a year, you'll look back and wonder why you didn't start sooner. You've got this. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Comment below with your biggest time-wasting habit. We won't judge, I promise. And subscribe for more real talk videos like this. Oh, and don't forget to check out my other video on how to stop procrastinating like a boss. It's packed with tips you can start using today. Until next time, stop wasting time and start living your best life.